Working outdoors demands comfort, protection, and style under the sun. Best garden hats help shield your face, neck, and eyes while keeping you cool, letting you enjoy gardening longer with confidence, durability, and practical designs made for daily outdoor tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Wallaroo Garden Hat. The Wallaroo Garden Hat is a refined blend of elegant style and serious sun protection, designed for women who spend plenty of time outdoors but don't want to compromise on looks. Crafted with UPF 50+ fabric and endorsed by leading sun safety authorities, this hat blocks up to 97.5% of harmful UV rays, making it a dependable companion for gardening, beach vacations, hiking, and everyday outdoor activities. The wide 3-inch brim provides generous coverage for the face and neck, reducing sun exposure while adding a timeless fedora-inspired charm that works just as well with casual outfits as with resort wear. One of the standout features of this hat is its packable design. The smart stuff-it packing technique allows you to place it upside down in a suitcase and fill the crown with soft clothing, helping the hat maintain its shape even during long trips. This makes it especially appealing for travelers who want reliable sun protection without bulky accessories. Comfort is another strong point, thanks to the internal adjustable drawstring that allows you to customize the fit for all-day wear. Whether you're strolling through a garden, exploring a city, or relaxing by the shore, the hat stays secure and comfortable. Made from durable polypropylene, the Wallaroo Garden Hat is lightweight, resilient, and easy to maintain with simple spot cleaning. Overall, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a stylish, travel-friendly sun hat that delivers dependable protection and lasting comfort in a wide range of outdoor settings.
Number 2. Unisex Sun Garden Hat. The Unisex Sun Garden Hat is designed for those who prioritize maximum sun protection with a practical, versatile design suitable for both men and women. Backed by Coolabar's reputation as a leader in sun protective apparel, this hat offers UPF 50+ protection that blocks up to 98% of UVA and UVB rays. It has also earned endorsement from dermatology experts and the Skin Cancer Foundation, adding confidence for long hours spent under intense sunlight. The 4-inch brim delivers excellent coverage, shading the face, ears, and neck, making it ideal for gardening, beach walks, outdoor events, or backyard gatherings. Crafted from a lightweight paper and cotton blend, the hat feels breathable and comfortable even in warm conditions, while remaining travel-friendly and easy to pack. Its crushable construction allows it to be tucked into luggage without worry, bouncing back into shape when needed. A moisture-wicking sweatband enhances comfort by helping manage heat and perspiration during extended wear. The adjustable interior ribbon allows for a customized fit across multiple size options, ensuring stability and comfort for different head sizes. This thoughtful sizing and adjustability make it a reliable option for shared use or gifting. In everyday use, the Unisex Sun Garden Hat stands out for its balance of protection, comfort, and convenience. It's a dependable choice for anyone who wants advanced sun defense in a simple, well-designed hat that transitions effortlessly from casual outdoor activities to relaxed social settings.
Number 3. Wallaroo Wide Brim Garden Hat. The Wallaroo Wide Brim Garden Hat, also known as the Catalina, brings together natural materials, classic craftsmanship, and everyday sun protection in a stylish design. Made from 100% natural Madagascan raffia, this hat feels breathable and lightweight, making it comfortable for extended wear in warm weather. The wide 4-inch upturned brim offers generous coverage, helping reduce exposure to harmful UV rays during outdoor activities, such as gardening, walking, or casual afternoons in the sun. Its twisted raffia trim tied into a bow at the back adds a subtle decorative touch, giving the hat a polished yet relaxed appearance that pairs beautifully with summer outfits. Designed with practicality in mind, the Catalina includes Wallaroo's signature internal drawstring, allowing you to adjust the fit for added comfort and security. This ensures the hat stays in place during light movement while remaining comfortable throughout the day. Durability is another strong feature, as the raffia construction holds up well with proper care. Spot cleaning with gentle soap and air drying helps maintain its shape and appearance over time. Inspired by the natural beauty of Colorado and designed in Australia, this hat reflects Wallaroo's commitment to functional, fashionable sun protection. Overall, the Wallaroo Wide Brim Garden Hat is an excellent option for women seeking a naturally styled, breathable hat that delivers reliable coverage and timeless elegance for everyday outdoor living.
Number 4. Tula Men's Unisex Garden Hat. The Tula Men's Unisex Garden Hat is an excellent choice for anyone looking for dependable sun protection combined with traditional craftsmanship and sustainable materials. Designed with a wide 4-inch brim, this hat provides outstanding coverage for the face, ears, and neck, making it ideal for gardening, outdoor work, travel, and leisure in bright conditions. Its UPF 50+ rating has been laboratory tested by the California Polytechnic University Textile Laboratory, earning an excellent protection score with virtually zero UV transmittance. This level of protection allows you to stay outdoors longer with greater confidence, even under strong sunlight. What truly sets the Tula Garden Hat apart is its construction from natural palm fiber sourced from the warm coastal regions of Mexico. This material is naturally breathable, helping heat escape and keeping the wearer comfortable during extended use. The palm fiber is also an environmentally friendly and renewable resource, making this hat a smart choice for those who value sustainability. Beyond materials, the hat carries a strong ethical foundation. It is handcrafted by skilled artisan milliners in Mexico, using techniques refined over more than 500 years. These long-standing fair trade relationships ensure fair wages, safe working conditions, and continued economic support for artisan communities. In terms of practicality, the hat is both durable and travel-friendly. The pliable palm construction allows it to be packed in a suitcase with clothing stuffed around the crown, and it can be reshaped easily after unpacking. Its naturally water-resistant structure provides light protection against rain, adding to its versatility in unpredictable weather. Overall, the Tula Men's Unisex Garden Hat offers a thoughtful blend of sun safety, comfort, durability, and ethical craftsmanship, making it a reliable and meaningful addition to any outdoor wardrobe.
Number 5. Wallaroo Darby Sun Hat. The Wallaroo Darby Sun Hat is a stylish and functional option designed for women who want effective sun protection without sacrificing elegance. Crafted with UPF 50+ fabric and endorsed by the Australian Radiation Protection Agency, this cloche-style hat blocks up to 97.5% of harmful ultraviolet rays, helping protect your skin during outdoor activities. The 3-inch wide brim provides ample shade for the face, neck, and shoulders, making it well-suited for social outings, travel, casual walks, and time spent relaxing in the sun. Its modern vintage silhouette adds a refined touch that pairs beautifully with both casual and dressy outfits, making it a versatile accessory for many occasions. Designed to fit a medium crown size of 22/8 inches, the Darby Sun Hat includes an internal adjustable drawstring that allows you to personalize the fit. This feature ensures the hat stays secure and comfortable, even during long hours of wear. One of its standout qualities is its travel-ready design. The hat can be gently folded and rolled for packing, making it easy to carry in luggage without taking up much space. Careful rolling helps protect the built-in structural wire in the brim, and once unpacked, the hat quickly regains its original shape. Made from durable polypropylene, the Darby Sun Hat is lightweight, resilient, and easy to maintain with simple spot cleaning. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.